Hi, Pat from Northwoods Rubber Stamps. We're here to do our next class, which is our Northwoods Seasonal Floral Arrangement Card class. In this class, we're going to make 4 beautiful cards that we had hoped to teach you at Door County Rubber Stamps, but due to the state of the world, we're doing this remotely. So again, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry we cannot be with you. We miss you very much. Thanks to Oscar again for sponsoring this event. And we're going to work on our first cards. So you'll have a kit, and it is Northwoods Seasonal Floral Arrangement Card class. We'll be making 4 cards: a spring vase, a summer vase, a fall vase, and then also a Christmas vase. And in your packets, you will have 4 cards that what we did ahead of time, as we always do, we stamped out your images on Northwoods watercolor paper. We've used black VersaFine ink and embossed with Ranger's Super Detail embossing powder. The beauty of our Northwoods watercolor paper, it allows you to use a water-based marker like Tombow markers and just blend with a wet paintbrush. We featured some different papers in this class. I love Bo Bunny's vintage double dot paper. So what we did is we used pink and green. We used some blues and oranges. We used some reds. But you can see to make all your cards look just a little bit different, rather than just mount with one background paper, we've done various combinations of paper too. Also, we're featuring a new paper from Best Creations, which is a glossy paper, and it's a glossy glitter paper called Gold. So again, that helps enhance your image. So those will be the cards we'll be working with in this class. So here we go.